Okay, so we have this first example solved, and we have a particular solution. Here it is. And here's the bonus question. What is t when y equals this stuff? So what is t when y equals this? So what we're going to do is we're going to solve. We're going to plug all this stuff in. So let's do that. Now I feel like a lot of people are going to get confused about how to solve these things, but we just have to remember a little bit of algebra or like pre-calc. So what we're doing here is actually my variable is in the exponent. My variable is in the exponent. Anytime that happens, I can take the log of both sides. So that's what I'm gonna do. That's what am I gonna do? And then I'm gonna end up separating a bunch of stuff. So let's figure this out. First of all, I see on this side, well, maybe I'll move this. Okay, here we go. So I first want to simplify some stuff. So this I know is going to turn out to be negative 3 because I can move that out and then that would cancel out. So this is negative 3 equals, and I know I can have ln of 3 since it's multiplied this times that. I can have ln of 3 plus ln of e to the negative t squared over 2. This is the whole reason why I took the natural log of both sides, because now I can take that out front, and ln and e cancel out. So I just get negative 3 equals ln of 3 plus negative t squared over 2. Now don't forget, I'm solving for t, so I'm going to move the ln of 3 over to the other side, and then I'll multiply by negative 2 to get rid of that. So I'll do that now. And then what happens is I get a positive t squared. Well, that's nice. And I also get, oh, I gotta times it by negative 2 here, huh? And I get positive 6 plus 2 ln of 3. So that's fine. I can leave it like that, or I can move the 2 into the exponent. So I get t squared equals 6 plus ln of 9, square root both sides. Some people are going to forget this. Anytime you do the square root, you get a plus or minus. So I have 6 plus ln of 9. So that's what t equals. There's two possible values for t. So that's what, like this, it'll start out on Khan Academy, it'll start out with this problem, and it will ask you, instead of to solve it, it'll say, what is t when y equals something? That just means you have to solve it and then plug stuff in. So that's why I did it this way, and there you go. That's the bonus question. Something else that I want to mention. This is actually important because it might confuse people, but it's actually a simple case. It's an easy case. So let's talk about that. What the heck am I saying? So this is actually considered a differential equation. You think, wait a minute, there's no y. There's no y. Well, the function involving y, yeah, it's not there, but we're just going to call it 1. So my function of y would be just not that. It would be g of y equals 1. So don't get confused when you don't have both variables. It just means it's really, really easy. That means all I have to do here is multiply both sides by dx. I'll probably do another one of these since they're so simple. And I would get dy equals x plus 3 dx. Remember to put that in parentheses. And it's really just 1 dy. So when I go to integrate both sides, I'm integrating 1. That's what people get confused about, because like there's nothing there, but it's a 1. It's always a 1, right? So then that becomes, on the left side, that would become y equals x squared over 2 plus 3x plus c. Remember, you only do the c on the right side. And then you can solve from there. So don't be scared if it's missing a variable. That just means it's even easier. Actually, you know what? That's enough. I'm going to end it there. Good day.